Hey guys, what's up? It's a long weekend out here in Dubai and I'm just stepping out for lunch. But as I do, I want to do a quick video on these new pair of Nike sunglasses. Now this is called the Zeus. I have had Nike sunglasses for I think about 2 years, 18 months. The earlier models I wear when I'm walking to the gym on a weekend around 12, 2ish. It's one of those wraparound sunglasses. This is the one that I have. This is called the Nike Show X Rush, and you know, it's one of these wraparound models, and I wear it because it's hella sunny out here in the Middle East. So this is what I wear. I think they're running sunglasses, but I don't really run, so this is what I wear when I'm out in the sun. I also had another model that I used to wear. I wear most of these like lifestyle sunglasses, not for the real intent and purposes that they were made for. This is the second pair. It's covered in dust because I didn't keep it in the case. And there's been some repair work going on with the swimming pool, but I'm not gonna put these on. These need a proper wipe down. And this one's called the Marquee. Man, I'm even embarrassed to show you guys, but you can see the double swoosh right there in the middle of the lens. Ugh. But anyway, these sunglasses are made in Italy, and when this new collection came out, this is the Zeus Rise. So Nike made the Zeus during the Olympics, and I think it was very limited distribution. It was limited to the stores in Paris and in the US, and of course Nike online. That was about $450 or $500, and I really wanted to get my hands on them because they had like these 5 layers of lenses. It was more like a mask than sunglasses really. It looked really cool. Titanium and all of that, so really lightweight. But then I found out that Nike made a takedown version of it too, actually. They made the Zeus Edge, which again has a wire metal frame. And then they made the Zeus Rise, which is what I have with me right now. As I open the lid, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. A really quick one because Bijoy is on his way. We're gonna go grab lunch. So I was gonna wear these. I thought I might as well make a quick video. And here is the Nike Zeus Rise with that road tint lens. It says Nike Max Plus on the side of the lens, but hey, this one's a polycarbonate frame. I prefer this over the metal wire frame because it also has a really cool look to it. Overall, green with that orange energy Nike tiny mini swoosh on the sides. There's that silicone nose bridge. You also have these silicone bits right here. And like I was saying, it says Nike Max Plus on the lens. Yeah. And now I'm gonna put them on my face to show you what they look like. And there they are. Super cool. I really like them. I fell in love, man. What do you think? These again are road tints, so you could use them for cycling, you could use them for running. I am gonna be using them for lifestyle like I do with everything else. I remember the original Zeus was hydrophobic, anti-fog, and I don't know, it had many other properties because it was a proper recovery kind of athlete made product. This is a takedown. It still does most of the job, which is protecting your eyes. It's the primary role. But yeah, that's it for this really quick video on the Nike Zeus Rise. The Edge, I don't have one with me. I did put it in my hand. All of these Nike products are available at Nike stores, at least here in the Middle East, in the UAE. It's available at all of the Nike stores, so you can go check them out. And that's it. I'll be seeing you all soon. Take it easy. Peace.